Bajaj Auto reports zero sales in domestic market in April amid lockdown. Bajaj Auto on Monday said it did not sell any two-wheelers or commercial vehicles in the domestic market in the month of April amid nationwide lockdown due to coronavirus. Export of vehicles stood at 37,878 units in April, down from 191,211 during the same period last year. The company said the company's shares were down over 7% on Monday. Elon Musk defies lockdown order to reopen Tesla factory. Says arrest only me. Elon Musk on Monday said that Tesla has resumed operations at its California factory, in defiance of COVID-19 restrictions imposed by the Alameda County. Musk tweeted, "If anyone is arrested, I ask that it only be me." He added, California approved, but an unelected county official illegally overrode. Also, all other auto companies in the US are approved to resume. Maruti Suzuki reports zero of monthly domestic sales for first time ever. Maruti Suzuki on Friday reported zero of monthly domestic sales for the first time ever in April amid a nationwide lockdown to contain the spread of the coronavirus. This was because in compliance with the government orders all production facilities were closed, the country's biggest carmaker said. However, the company exported 632 units from the Mundra port in April. Musk threatens to move Tesla HQ out to California over factory closure orders. Elon Musk-led Tesla is suing California's Alameda County after the electric carmaker was told to keep its factory shut under local COVID-19 restrictions, calling it the final straw. Musk threatened to move Tesla's headquarters and future programs out of California to Texas or Nevada immediately. He accused the county of defying state governor's guidance that lets certain manufacturers reopen. Tesla's Cybertruck can float for a while. Elon Musk. Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Monday said the Cybertruck will even float for a while. He tweeted this in response to a user who had asked Musk about the electric vehicle's wading depth, as he does hunting and fishing and sometimes needs to cross streams earlier. Musk had claimed that Tesla's Model S can float for short periods of time.